We are in our 17th year and started just kind of doing residential. And it was just me for about 2 years until we were able to hire our first employee. Then from there, we were able to add a couple more. And then we started taking on some commercial accounts probably in about year 4. And as of January of 2020, during COVID, we decided that we were going to strictly do commercial only going forward at that point. We try to be really good at what we do and try not to be too spread out in too many different things so we can serve better. We're not franchised for one thing, so we are invested in what we're doing. We answer to ourselves and to our clients. We don't have to call somebody in, New York. We also have quality control. We have HR on staff, so we can hire because we can't really come out and do the work if we don't have the people to do the work. We have someone that handles client relations. We have field managers. We have work orders. We really have processes in place. Medical offices, small offices like this where some public come in, but more of a private where people come in and they just need to make sure they're taking care of their employees' health. Accounting offices, car dealerships, all those are good.
I have been with the company for 3.5 years, and I'm not originally from here, but I do like a lot of the community support, the little small shops, coming up. And when I go out and when I talk to clients, they're always very community oriented, and they want to do things for the community, and it's just a really good feeling. It just kind of gets you closer to the community. So you learn new things about people, and they're more, I feel, amped to kind of discuss things with you, and you kind of feel more like a family versus just any old customer.
I don't know if a lot of people understand that when you do shop local, because there's many options, there are so many options how people can shop these days, that when you do that, you are in essence putting right back into your community, whether it be through helping out at different associations or charities. We can't do those things if we can't be a healthy business. So by doing that, we do try to give back to our community. I think people really, during COVID, learned to appreciate what a cleaning service can do for them. We hope that people remember that it's important, whether we're doing it for them or they're doing it themselves. It just needs to be something that's not a C priority in any business. We have a very user-friendly website, ashlandcleaning.com or woostercleaning.com. We have, local phone number people can call. We have our great office here. People can stop in, and we're always glad to talk to them.